for you. And after this academic year, you people are going to enter a new life. Then you people can change your life yourself. Okay, because it is the early age and it is the children age, so that you must take the suggestions from the teachers what you have got now till now, and you must take the advices of all the teachers. And before going to complete here, I will share some motivation over the society in our daily life. You see, I think I wanna say about your style. Recently we have come across our Arshad sir speech and Diga madam speech. They said that you must get 580 marks and 600 marks. This is 600 of 600. When sir said, most of the people were shocked. Actually, it is not a shocked. Now, this kind of confidence you people must have. You recently you have come across that Abhishek Sharma, which is going on World Cup present. You know about him. He said one thing is that he wanna hit every ball to the six. Every ball he wanna hit a six, because that kind of confidence level you must have. He may fail many times, he may duck out many times, but his confidence to hit the every ball, even it is Yorker, even it is bouncer, even it is beamer, he wanna hit towards to the boundary. That kind of confidence level you have, then only you people might be high in your life. Hope you understand. It is not an exaggeration. That kind of confidence level you must have. And when you get failure, you never disappoint, because every failure is a beginning of your success. Let us see some failures in our life. You see, Abraham Lincoln. Do you know Abraham Lincoln, the first president of USA? He failed many times in his senatorial races, and at the age of 42, see, he started his senatorial races competition from age of 21. He lost his sweetheart, he lost his wife with a disease, and he get many problems, but finally at the age of 42 he became president of USA. And you know very well, after getting your bright education, you people are going to study abroad. How can you go to abroad? Tell me. How can you travel to abroad? Huh? While what? On foot? Tell me. Flight. Do you know who invented flights? Wright brothers, right. You see, these Wright brothers, when they wanted to invent their famous flight, many of the newspaper editorials were humiliated them. An object, a machine which is heavier than air, that can travel in the air. They are the fools. Many humiliations they got. But you see, after 1 week at Etihad, they invented their famous flight. With their invention, now we people are moving from Earth to even another planets. Sooner or later, we may live in the another planets also. It is not an exaggeration. So that whenever you get failures, you have to take them as a stepping stone. And you can see Walt Disney. You know, if you see the papers or Sunday magazines, you can enjoy, most of the children enjoy by seeing the cartoon drawings, cartoon figures, and you people are getting, many people are getting in the TV channel cartoon programs. The invention of these all cartoon programs were Walt Disney. This Walt Disney also, initially to get first employment, he drawn many events to get the first opportunity of his employment. He was rejected many times, and he was humiliated that he was a fool. But now you can see his invention. Walt Disney was a very, very great artist. And you know very well, now we people are in these colorful lights. Who invented the first bulb? Tell me. Thomas Alva Edison. This Thomas Alva Edison blindly did not invent this electric bulb. Before going to invent this electric bulb, he failed for the 10,000 times. He failed 9,999 times he failed. One person asked to Thomas Alva Edison, didn't you get bored to invent this kind of attempts? Then he said, Thomas Alva Edison said to that person is, I didn't get bored and I didn't fail. I learned how should not invent, how should not make bulb for 9,999 times. Hope you understand. He learned that 9,999 times, if we make it that way, we cannot make. Most of the people are like cars, right? Do you know about the cars? Which is the greatest motorable company in the cars? Can you tell? Come on. See, I know little bit over them. Ford car. Ford is a very, very big industry in the motorable company. You see, that Ford car inventor, he forget the first time to put the reverse gearing. Okay, he forgot to put the reverse gear for his Ford car. Ford car. Now you can see where is the Ford company. So that you people never nervous when you get the failures. Okay, take them as a stepping stone and keep your head high. And finally, I would like to say one thing. We did entire things for you, and finally, when we happy, of course, we are every time happy. We are working here, and sir is always humble for them, and sir will look after every problems of ours, so that we are very happy with working here. But finally, when we are very happy, when we get good result from you, okay, we feel very happy and we feel very proud when you get good result. And our school, our teachers are really very good. Our results only showing since so many years. Last year also our girl Jenilia got very good score, and she brought very good name to our school. And this year, when I come to this school, when I know about this batch, I remember your all names and all faces, and I gave the challenge to Dayana sir that definitely our school will be get very good results, sir. And I hope that kind of challenge, and I hope that kind of confidence on you, so that please, you did many hard work, you did much hard work. From tomorrow you have to do some more hard work and get good result to our school. Hope you understand, because practice makes perfect to everyone. One more example I will share you in your language. Okay, I will take some more few minutes only. You see, in 2011 World Cup, do you know when you are born, present 10th class students, I think 2010. So at that time 2011 there was a World Cup. Okay, one day World Cup. Every matches he brought Yuvraj Singh, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma kind of people are played very well, and they brought final to our India. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was captain then. He didn't play even single match. He didn't scored very well till the end of final match. Okay, but at the final match, instead of coming Yuvraj Singh, Dhoni entered to the crease and he did very big innings. With that, we lifted after so many years of that World Cup. And a press person when asked to the Dhoni, why did you come and what kind of confidence that you have to come very early than the form of Yuvraj Singh? Yuvraj Singh కంటే నీకంటే యువరాజ్ సింగ్ ఫామ్ లో ఉన్నాడు, అయినా కూడా ధైర్యం చేసి నువ్వు ఎట్లా వచ్చినావు అని చెప్తే, ఐ బిలీవ్డ్ ఆన్ మై సెల్ఫ్. బికాస్ అందరూ ప్లేయర్స్ అందరూ కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి కంప్లీట్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోయినా కూడా ధోని ఒక 2-3 అవర్స్ ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేవాడు. సో దట్ అతనికి భయపడలే. యువరాజ్ సింగ్ ఫామ్ లో ఉన్నాడు, అతను బాగా ఆడుతున్నాడు, అయినా కూడా అతను పక్కకు జరిపేసి నేను వస్తున్నా అని చెప్పి భయపడలే. బికాస్ హీ బిలీవ్డ్ ఆన్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్. నా మీద నాకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఉంది అని చెప్పేసి వచ్చిండు, చాలా డేర్గా ఆడిండు, ఈరోజు వరల్డ్ కప్ ఇచ్చిండు. అంటే ఏంటన్నట్టు, ప్రాక్టీస్ మేక్స్ మ్యాన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. కాబట్టి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసిన వాళ్ళకి సూనర్ ఆర్ లేటర్ డెఫినెట్లీ యూ పీపుల్ విల్ గెట్ సక్సెస్. సో బిలీవ్ యూ ఆన్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, okay, and get good name to our school and get good name to all of us. Thank you.